My name is Imad Abuyousef. I'm from Abu Dhabi Distribution Company, Copco Distribution. I'm from the demand side management team in ADDC. Actually, we are the one who runs the program. So we started this program last year in 2023. The Energy Efficiency Club, it's a platform where industrial sites sit together to share energy saving best practices and learn from each other, but also they learn from experts that come and give a discussion on energy efficiency. The mission is definitely to uptake the energy efficiency within the industrial sector in Abu Dhabi, to promote sustainability and help our customers, the industrial customer and the sector, to be more efficient and productive and be sustainable, environmental friendly as well. It's a platform where the members of the club get exposed to best practices. So by basically learning from other best case scenarios and successful stories of implementing energy efficiency best practices, but also if they have any challenges, they can ask the members about how to overcome these challenges. Also, getting some experts to come and do presentation on best practices for energy efficiency. This is a great opportunity for them to learn as well. We would love to expand the program and the concept, recruit more industrial sites, discuss more topics relevant to the industrial sector in Abu Dhabi, and help to promote energy efficiency as well in the future. It's a free no charge, a great platform that we offer for industrial sites to learn best practices and basically exchange best practices with other companies around here in Abu Dhabi, but also they can help to invite their neighboring companies or some companies on their supply chain to help them be more efficient and energy efficient as well.